We are doing the balloon baking soda experiment. We need the gloves.
Baking soda.
Later ikaw ha, later ha.
Glass of jar. Vinegar.
Okay. We need first to put some vinegar in the...
My first.
My turn. Okay. No, careful, anak, careful ha.
My turn.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's help. Okay. Then...
Butter.
And just put
What?
love. That one.
Put
Later.
love.
That one.
Okay.
And baking soda.
Let's put some baking soda.
Go to be old boss. I don't.
No. You still have. Okay. Oh, let's put some more para mag-lift siya.
Look, almost no more.
Okay. Then,
Put the jar.
let's put it in the jar.
I want to put the rayon.
Apa.
Mommy.
My turn.
Kuya's turn, later your turn. Okay. Put everything. Put the baking soda. Put it.
Hey, my turn na agad.
Opo. Later, anak, later. Okay. Remove.
Rayon.
Okay. Oops. Bit. Remove your
Stop.
hands. Okay. Oh.
Wow!
Okay.
Squeezy.
Oh, nice, no? It's nice, right?
Squeezy. Pump.
The science behind this balloon baking soda experiment is the chemical reaction between the base, which is the baking soda, and the acid, which is the vinegar. When the two ingredients mix together,
Hey guys, look.
the balloon baking soda experiment gets its lift. That lift is gas produced from the two ingredients is carbon dioxide or CO2. You like it?
Pop.
No, don't pop it.
Look, I'll take the mirror to the hand.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya. Say bye-bye.